In our previous two videos, we showed you how easy it is to film your own presentation professionally and with the highest quality, using our RVK. RVK is short for Remote Video Kit. Those of you who are workshop leaders, trainers, or seminar presenters are probably used to having a PowerPoint presentation along with your talk. With our RVK Plus, you will have the ability to merge your PowerPoint presentation with your video in real time using just a couple of additional pieces of equipment. With the RVK Plus, we send you a video switcher, that's this piece, which allows you to go back and forth between the view of yourself on camera and your PowerPoint. Since the PowerPoint is mixed in digitally, the quality is outstanding, and you can switch back and forth as much as you like. The heart of the system is this monitor recorder. It is actually doing the recording instead of the camera. The monitor shows you exactly what is on the screen, and the recorder aspect of this set is recording the video and the audio. This is an easy professional solution, one that you can use with any PowerPoint or presentation. So the camera setup is almost exactly the same as in our first two videos. In my next video, I'll show you the simple steps to set up and use the RVK Plus equipment. Meanwhile, here's a short clip I created to demonstrate the amazing capabilities of this setup. This clip is a demonstration of how effective the RVK Plus system is for presenters to use. As I'm speaking with you, I can easily switch to the PowerPoint view, enabling you to continue to talk and present, keeping in mind that the PowerPoint is always right in front of you, and when the PowerPoint deck is selected, no one will see you looking at the slides. You can then easily move through your deck, and when you are ready, just transition back to the live view. Now this setup is ideal for a trainer, lecturer, corporate executive, workshop presenter, business leader, or anyone who needs to communicate to their audience remotely. The setup is easy, and we offer a real-time video chat to assist users in making sure that they set up all the equipment correctly and have their shot composed professionally. The PowerPoint will display in your video exactly as it appears on your laptop or computer. Both the video and audio are recorded on the monitor recorder, and except for adding titles or other post-production, that's it. Your video is ready to post. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like more information on the RVK Plus rental, please contact me at any of the contact points listed below.